Bamboo removal. This is the waste, and this is the process. We're gonna pick at it to get to the rhizome. And here's how they spread. Okay, this is the spreading type of bamboo right here. Here are the cut down shoots. It's a long process. We have to go through this whole garden bed to find the bamboo. It's also under in the cement. All right. So our colleague over here is applying the rhizome under, using the bar as leverage. Hey, that's a big one, man. And that's the big one. Lee's General Landscaping. Bamboo, rhizome removal services.